Hi, I'm Dr. Neelam. I'm naturopath. In this video, I'm talking about PCOS and PCOD. What is PCOS and PCOD? PCOS is a very common reproductive disorder in women, in young women these days. The first ever case was detected in 1935, but now around 10 million women are suffering from this disease. In India itself, 1 out of 5 are suffering. Actually, PCOS and PCOD is a lifestyle disease. So we have to be very careful in our diets and in our lifestyle. PCOS or PCOD is a syndrome rather than a disease. What are the symptoms of PCOS? We can see in the slide. The first symptom is menstrual irregularity and hyperandrogenism, in which acne we can see in this part, facial hair we can see in this part, and baldness in this part. Lot of hair fall due to this PCOS and PCOD. PCOS means polycystic ovaries, means lot of cyst is developed in the ovaries, and due to this overweight and obesity we can see in the patients. The noticeable symptoms of PCOS is unpredictable and irregular periods, acne, coarse hair developing on face, chest, belly, back, and thick dark skin developing on neck and underarms. Depression and other mood disorder we can see in ladies. Obesity and metabolic syndrome, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, cardiovascular disease, depression and anxiety, obstructive sleep apnea means sleep disorder, infertility, endometrial cancer, and glucose intolerance or type 2 diabetes. These are also the symptoms we can see in the patients. What are the hidden symptoms of PCOS? The rising blood sugar level, pre-diabetes and diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol levels, sleep apnea, snoring and daytime sleepiness we feel in ladies, risk for cancer such as uterine cancer.
In normal menstrual cycle, brain gives a message to the pituitary gland, and then pituitary glands release a hormone called GnRH. Then GnRH releases two hormones called FSH and LH, and this both the hormones to with the bloodstream they go to the ovary, and then ovary release a egg, and that egg goes to uterus. The uterus, if it is the egg, if it is fertilized, then it remains in the uterus, but if it's not fertilized, then it's shed and a normal cycle comes. But in PCOS cycle, the brain is not able to give a proper message to the pituitary gland, and so there is normal release of GnRH hormone. And then because of abnormal GnRH hormone, they release FSH and LH are not normal again. FSH decreases and LH increase. And just because of this, a male hormone releases that is called androgen. And because of that, the problem is hyperandrogenism increases in women. And just because of that, the ovulation is inhibited.
Women diagnosed with PCOS, they are having 3 times the risk of diabetes, the heart stroke, and heart diseases. And the second thing is they have the twice the risk of anxiety, depression, and drug use. They have the risk of hospitalization for any cause. Their immunity level goes very down, and so the 10 times the risk of infertility is seen in PCOS and PCOD patients. What about medical treatments? In PCOS and PCOD, we can give birth control pills if help cause regular menses and lower testosterone. Metamorphin is also given for lower insulin level. Spironolactone will help with excess hair growth. Laser therapy will remove the unwanted hairs. Nutrition education will help to reduce the excess weight in patients. And psychological support, that is the most important, that help to maintain the depression and stress in PCOS and PCOD women. We can give the clomiphene citrate if pregnancy is intended, and oral contraceptive pills if pregnancy is not intended. Metamorphin is a hypoglycemic agent that increases the insulin sensitivity, because PCOS and PCOD patients, they have the risk of type 2 diabetes, insulin resistance. So I already told you it's a lifestyle disease. So if the patients take care of their nutrition, if their depression, anxiety level, they can cure this syndrome. In second video, we'll be talking about the nutrition and the diet. So if you like my video, if you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe, and please give the comment. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay healthy.